Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're doing the next hired request on my list for fall for 2023. It's a Tori Amos song called 1000 Oceans, and it's from the person that hired me wanted me to do from a YouTube video, and it's entitled 1000 Oceans Tori Amos instrumental cover. So if you look that up, there's some like sheet music that shows up, and I use that to help do it, but that's what I'm going from if you want to listen to it, if you're a Tori Amos fan. But here's what it sounds like. And there's the third line there. So let's start with that here. At the top we have B flat F in both hands, B flat F, all right? And the rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? You can do that rhythm a lot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Second measure, both hands have CF, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you go back to the first way, the B flat F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then back to CF, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to B flat F, 2 and 3 and 4. Now this one goes to AF, okay, both hands. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And make sure of that, hold on. Yeah, okay, I was making sure my rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Da-da. When you play that G, you're going to play it with your thumb, and then keep holding it as you add the D and then the GD in the left hand. All right, so here again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So once you're on GD, you stay on that and do the same rhythm. 2 and 3 and 4. All right? Third line here, we're going to have 1 and 2 and 3 and. All right, so some more stuff to do here when we get to that section. So we start with D and A on the bass, and then right hand A and F, 1 and 2. Okay, so D and A down here, A and F on the right, 1 and 2 and. When you get to the and of 2, it's F, A in the right, and then the left hand plays that D again. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Then you play D and A again, and you go da-da-dun. So this goes E and A together, 2 and F, and then D, A. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Play a D here. When you play that D, A, it goes really fast. You play it after you play the D. Da 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 dum. So A, B flat, and maybe 2 1 for that. Then you get to E flat. So slowly, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, da da da. And you want to hold on to that B flat because it makes a chord. So. Da 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 da. When you get to that E flat, you're going to play F and B flat in the right hand. 1 and 2 and 4 and. So F, E flat, F, while the B flat stays on top. And then B flat, E flat, as the left hand plays an E flat again. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's tie that together now. These are the toughy measures so far. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again, I'm getting better. You will too. And 2. Now let's say you're playing that and that's really hard. You're going, man, this stinks. I can't do that one little part. Let's see what we can do. Leave out this. Just play the D and A again and forget this. Don't let the rest of the song be ruined just because this part is somebody wrote that way, and you know, just go. Because the rest of it's not going to be that hard, all right? So just leave that out. Who cares, all right? But if you want to do it, 1 and 2 and 3. Because I know for some of you that will be tough, and the person hired me. They, you know, if you get here and that's tough, leave it out. That's what I would tell you. I'd say just leave it out. I don't miss it not being in there. All right. So then we move on. F and B flat. Oh, we already talked about it. 3 and 4 and, or have we? F, yes we have. And then this is E flat, B flat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again. And then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then that's going to be super fast. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then that AC is a quick thing like this was. So my advice again is leave it out if it's too hard. Okay? It's real fast right there. Now let's try all 3 lines. I will have to pause, just kind of scroll up so that I can see it. Okay, so here from the very beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we're here, second line. And 3 and 4. Let me scroll. Now we're here. 1 and 2 and 3. And that's what we have for that. So again, leave that out and leave that out if you don't like those guys, and it's fine. All right. I'm gonna we'll cut here and get to part 2. See you guys later.